What's up, guys? We'll do a quick little review on this Matco flashlight here. So a couple of the features. You're at 1,000 lumens. One neat feature, 5-hour runtime, 4.5-hour charge time. This is uncommon in a flashlight where you're not charging the light for 6 hours to use it for 2. So you got 2 variable settings here. Now the 5-hour runtime is using the dimmer setting. However, got these flex heads too, magnetic on both ends, and you got a full 360-degree range here, which is neat. Handy for tight spots. Check one out. Just over $100, worth the money.